Good morning, futures traders. This is David on Wednesday, August 17th. The time is 8:55. I hit the ES just a little while ago. Right here for a long.
Order submitted.
Here we go. I was kind of holding off on the ES or the NQ. I got that too close. Let's see if we can go up. See if the buyers come in. Come in hard. Come on, guys, come in hard. $31s, $32s. Let's get 32. There we go. 32s, 33s, 30s. Come on, I don't want 29s.
Order canceled.
Yes, there's a nice move. A nice move.
Order canceled.
Yeah, I don't like that. So we're up 6 grand. And I'm debating because I fought for that ES one. I kept all of them off of them before I hit the recording. It looks like it's coming up to a level. Yeah. 13.3, 5, 4, 5. Right there. See how it backed off? See if it can burn up some more steam to go up. With it being down early, 148 points. The VIX at 23. It could have some enough legs early enough to get back up there. But the sellers are really pushing. I don't know if I think I'll hold off. Let's go for it.
Order filled.
436. If it pushes up quick. Clears that obstacle. Nope. Come on, push up.
Order canceled.
Glad I waited. I was just not thinking it had enough steam.
Order canceled.
There. Because this is that level. Oh yeah. 5-3. Right here. Yeah. I mess around with oil, but it's kind of late. So, let's see here. Strategy performance. Okay, I have $122 of commissions, 33, so roughly 31. Yeah, I see it lost gas there. So there's 3,200 roughly. Oh, and what's the monthly gross on that? 103,000. And this NQ, 244, so roughly 5,200, and 167,000 for the month if you do that. So I'd say that's pretty good for a couple minutes, because I hit this one as soon as I turned it on. Yeah, that was at 8:45. That took a few minutes to play out. So there you go. All right, that I'm going to call a wrap, because that's not bad for a few minutes of work. All right, I'm going to keep making videos and keep checking in on me. Thank you.